Hello friends, today topic is some common solar panel defects and how to avoid them. As you know, solar panels are really useful device which help convert the sun energy and heat into usable electric and heat energy. Installing them can be great for residential as well as commercial buildings, but there are many problems that can come with them. These problems need to be resolved properly so that benefits of the device. But for this, you must first be aware of the various problems that can come up. The following are the most common problems with solar panels. First problem we discuss about hot spot. One of the most common problem with solar panel is hot spots. Hot spots are basically those places on the panels which are overloaded and hence tend to become bar. These are a result of badly soldered connection or a structural defect in solar cell. The problems of hot spot can cause short circuit and may also lead to lowering of the lifespan and performance of the solar panels. Second is most common problem is a defective junction box can leave a solar panel. A junction box at the back of a solar panel is the key interface to conduct electricity to the outside. If water or dust seeps into the junction box enclosure, the bypass diodes inside can become short circuited and burn out. A burned bypass diode or connector can leave the panel in open circuit and stop transferring energy outward altogether. Third is most common problem is broken glass makes solar panels. The front glass panel of a solar module represents the first line of defect against the weather element like rain, dust, hail, and the occasional stray golf ball. An ideal glass should be strong enough to withstand reasonable stresses like hailstones and golf balls while allowing sunlight to be absorbed by solar cell. If an understrength glass is broken, not only the light absorbed by the solar panel will diminish, foreign elements such as water and dust can go under the glass to set solar cells and impact energy output. Fourth topic is most common problem is snail trail. Another one of the common problem with solar panel is snail trail. Snail trail is basically a contamination occurred in the panel which come up only after a few years of production. There can be many reasons for this problem and some include defect front metallization, silver paste in the solar cell manufacturing procedure and others. Last point is describe about PID effect. PID basically stand for potentially induced degradation and is a problem which can arise due to a voltage difference which occurs between the earthing and the panel. This produces partially discharged voltage in the primary power circuit. This can further lead to a reduction in performance and quicker aging of the PV panel. So all are some common solar panel defects. Thank you friends, and please subscribe my channel. If any query, write down in comment box. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.